Hardcore Nerf War! Sorry about the side effects for the This is getting boring, guys. What do you want to do? Well, I want to get really good. Why don't we play with real guns, though? Sure. Sounds like a good idea. Switch weapons to kill. Sorry, Jimmy, I pushed you down the stairs. Right, I'm going to push back. Go down, go. Set faces to stun.
In the spring of 2009, to design a new headquarters for Goliath National Bank.
Time to get everything up.
There was only one problem, and his name was Bilson.
What? Natural light? No. Natural light reminds the workers that they're in the outside world where they have family and friends. We want to
Talk a new life. What you say? Oh, everybody in there. What you say? Why did you do this to me? Because there's a grenade in your face. Oh. Psych. Ass. Oh. You shot me. Why? You stole my triple kill. How are you glitching like that? Let's move. Frank. Bam, bam, bam. Stand alive, stand alive, stand alive. Hey, dude, I'm not ready. Damn it, I'm not ready, dude. Dude, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I said I'm not ready. Stand alive, stand alive. Stand alive. Oh! Oh! You shot me in the chest! Ah! You shot me in the chest! Ah! Ah! Who's that? Is that a new perk you've got? Wait a minute. What's the Hulk bad doing? Oh yeah, I remember how he got defeated. You failed my master plan. Oh, die! Nothing. Let's go. Stop!
Not when he hears it coming from his best friend. I have to tell him. You're his best friend, and not you're his best friend. You're his best friend, me. Look,
I keep falling into things, and I don't know what to do. Whoa! Oh, buddy. Suffocation.